Hi, and thank you for joining us here at ISE. My name is Daniel Salmonsson, and I'm the Development Manager for Smart Media Solutions. And I'm standing here with our new product, SMS Leddy Wall Floor. It's a new structure for LEDs. This particular version is for Leyard Planar TVF series. And what we've done is to create a structure that should blend in more as a furniture than a tech product. We have added a trim bezel in wood. We also have these compartments under for storing the equipment and controllers. And they are made of wood with custom milled patterns, also highlighted with handles that can be custom made and choose in whatever kind of materials. And we will start off with a model for Leyard Planar and also for LG. And as the year goes by, we want to add a couple of more versions from different kinds of manufacturers. And to find out our progress of how we add more models to it, please find us at www.smartmediasolutions.se. Thank you for joining us here at ISE.